Hello guys, and welcome to this video about your AI email marketing employee on Sintra.ai. Let's go over it, and let's first go over the main website. So what is Sintra AI? It is a website where you have a lot of AI employees that can help you with tasks. Let's go right down. So these are all the helpers or the employees. So you have, for example, Cassie for customer support, Emmie for SEO, Buddy for your business partner, employee for data analyst, email marketer, etc. For example, comment for e-commerce. And there are a lot of employee helpers. Let's go to the pricing, but let's go to the features of Emmie first. These are the features of Emmie, and Emmie is called the marketer. It creates welcome emails, it builds abandoned cart email flow strategies, it will enhance post-purchase experience, organize your email campaigns, generates your email content, and helps re-engage your past customers. It helps you with a lot of tasks. You included with Emmie, you get all these tools, and you're also getting unlimited usage, your customer brain AI. This helps you with your customized questions, the input you have given about your brand. It will give answers specifically on your brand. It has more power with power-ups. These are the power-ups. And it's trained with data points, and it's based on OpenAI GPT-4 turbo engine. That's actually good. Let's go to the power-ups of Emmie and let's go over all of them. Emmie got abandoned cart email generators to create. Let's go over the first tool, abandoned cart email generator. It creates abandoned cart flow emails. Let's say there's a discount, 50% discount code, just like it said. And also you have more settings. You can give it custom instructions, but let's just click on generate and see what it comes up. Here we are, the subject line, unlock solutions with a 50% discount. Like I said, I've given it specific instructions about my brand, about my YouTube channel. It's based on my YouTube channel, for example, right here. Unlock solutions with a 50% discount. How they're struggling with app or software issues. We've got just the solutions you need. Offer details. For a limited time, enjoy 50% discount on our expert guides and reviews, designed to help you navigate tech challenges with ease. Call to action, use code SOLVE15 at checkout, and here's a testimonial, for example, and don't miss out, empower your digital experience. This is actually how you can build it. You can also make it shorter, longer, or give it more custom instructions. You can copy it right here and edit it as well if you want to. But let's go back. You can also make another discount card email, for example. The welcome flow email generator. Onboard new subscribers with a special offer, 20% off first purchase, for example, just like it said in the bar. And let's see what it comes up with. Here we are. There are 3 emails and all on welcome emails. And for example, you can do this one first, then a follow-up email and another follow-up. Thank you for subscribing. We're thrilled to have you join our community. Enjoy your 20% off your first purchase. Then exploring our offerings, discover what FindYourSolution has to offer, for example, the title. And here are some follow-ups. As you can see, let's keep the momentum going. That's it, guys, and that's actually how to get the email generator for onboard new subscribers. Let's go back. And here's the email calendar generator. Create a monthly email campaign calendar with holidays and IDs. Increase engagement. Let's click on generate. Here you are, you get a weekly goal. Your goal is to increase engagement, and here it is, week 1, date November 1. For the team, welcome to November, and the content ID could be highlight training app for the month, and offer a sneak peek of upcoming long form content, and include a poll asking subscribers which app they want to be reviewed. This would actually be great for if I got, for example, AI tools coming up like this one, and I would say these videos are coming out, you want to see them early, you can, but you have to subscribe to the newsletter, for example, or for apps I can do the same. And here in week 2 you can do tips. We share a guide on productivity apps, specific on productivity, and you can do all kinds of apps, for example. Week 3, mid-month check-in, provide a roundup of the most common tech issues. These are all good ideas, and for example now the team Cyber Monday special, and then you can highlight deals on apps or softwares and review top purchases. I think this would be a great one actually to use right now, and it can really help you and your audience out. And here are the best practices, 10 AM for optional open rates. It helps you with that as well. That's my campaign goal. Of course, you can do other campaign goals as well. So let's go back. Let's go to the pop-up text generator. Create a pop-up text for your store with an offer. Let's say 20% off on all apps. Let's see what it comes up. Over here, for example, find solution faster with our exclusive discount. Tab below to claim your savings now, claim your discount. Of course, you can make it longer, shorter again, change it, for example, make it longer, and let's see what it comes up with. So here's a longer one. It's really easy to actually do. But let's go back. Let's go to the content email generator. Create an email with educational content for your subscribers. For example, software educational trends. Here it is, for example. Here's some interactive learning and the trends. Rise of interactive platforms like Kahoot and Codecademy, and the benefit boost engagements and improves retention. And there are more options right here, as you can see. And for example, this is really smart because people will get back to you and you get more engagement. Reply to this email with your favorite trend or question. Let's keep the conversation going. That's actually how to do everything better. Let's go back. And here we got another one. Win back flow email generator. Create win back emails to reconnect with past customers. Let's say summer clearance. So here it is, your summer clearance. Here's email 1, rekindle interest. The subject, summer clearance is here, discover what's new. And the second one is about exclusive summer deals just for you. And then the last chance reminder, final call, summer clearance ending soon. So people don't miss out on the emails, and you can just copy this, for example, and get it to your email workflow. Then post-purchase flow email generator. Create post-purchase emails that increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. Let's say, for example, a massage chair. Here, for example, the thank you email subject, thank you for choosing comfort content, express gratitude, confirm order, and offer customer support contact details, usage tips, loyalty program invitation, and these things you can all do. And that's actually the post-purchase flow email generator. And here's the campaign email generator, 20% off new subscription plans. And the info given, like I said before, the more accurate the outcome is. Here, for example, it's really fast. Unlock solutions with 20% off your new subscription. Hi there, struggling with app or software issues? We're here to help. Offer details. For a limited time, enjoy 20% off on new subscriptions plans with FindYourSolution. Our channel is dedicated, and here's the call to action, and there's a testimonial, and then there's just join us and let's make your digital life easier. And of course you can expand this as well if you want to, or make it more funny, for example, and let's see what it does. Unleash the power, hate tech troublemakers. For example, you can also get more emotion in it if you want to. Turn my tech nightmares into sweet dreams. It's actually funny. But these are the tools of Emmie, and of course there are a lot of other tools actually you could use. You can also automate posts on social media, but I'm not going to do that right now. As you can see, there are also integrations you can connect to. Here are some automations, so auto poster, Facebook commenters, automatic, and daily summarizers. You can daily summarize your emails, for example. And here are all the power-ups again. And this is the main. What's on your mind, you get that with every employee you buy. If I want something specific for my business or I want to ask a question, it will give a outcome just on the input I've given, and it tries to help you the best and possible way. It's like an upgraded ChatGPT, I guess, but then based on your brand, and it can help you make, for example, decisions. But let's go over the pricing right now. This is Emmie, Gigi, and you can also go here and see what's included with them. Every individual is $39 a month, but you can also buy them together. But there's now a 50% discount, and there's also a 14-day back money guarantee. For every employee is now $19.50 a month if you pay monthly, and $9.75 a month if you pay yearly. And if you click on Sintra X, you want all the employees and all the helpers, and also all the power-ups, features, and complete tasks in 150 plus languages. Then there is now also the discount for $48.50 a month if you pay monthly, $29.50 a month if you pay every 3 months, at $19.50 a month if you pay it yearly. I think if you buy, for example, 2 employees, it's cheaper to buy the 2 employees, but if you want 3 or more, or you want them all, I think this is the best option in my opinion. I got the link below if you want to join. It is an affiliate link, but you would really help me out. But of course, you're free to use any link you want. That's about it. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I'll try to help you out, and have a great day.